Hi guys, and finally we have a bunch of reports for all possibilities, but it's possible in the Pro version to adjust them, and in the next minutes I show you how to do that.
Finale offers you a lot of standard reports with different information. However, in some cases an own adjustment to this reports could be an improvement for your workflow. So let's get started and adjust a standard report. We will remove a field, add some other information fields and change the order and the size of some fields. A good way to start is to load a small show and print all available reports for this small show to see what's already available and what would be the best report to adjust for your needs. So the first step is to play around with the existing reports that could be found under File, Print, Report. All reports will be saved as a PDF file so you can have a look at the reports without wasting paper. For our example, we want to adjust the setup per position report. Without any adjustments, the reports looks like that. Even if that would work for the most of the cases, let's adjust it and create a known layout. We also will fill the show date and location placeholders with life. So, let's start. Open the script window and click on the icon for the gear menu. You'll find it in the right upper corner of the window. Select Edit a Report Template and then select the Setup by Position report. The report configuration window should open then. First, change the name of the report into something like this, PyroOffice_position_setup. Please use the underscore instead of a space. For technical reasons, spaces would be trimmed and so readability will go away. Set the page size to A4 and choose a smaller font size like 11. Then click the Enter button. If you click on the Gear button in the script window again and select the Edit Report Template entry, you will see that your new report will be listed. If you choose it now, the order in the used columns will be shown in the script window. From here we are now able to do some adjustments. First of all, let's hide the address row and replace it with the rail and pin row. Remember, it is a demo report, so please no unnecessary discussions please. Inside the script window, right-click on the address header column and then choose Hide this column. To add the rail and the pin information, click on the Gear menu button and select Hide or Unhide a column. Select the rail column. Repeat the above steps to add the pin column, too. The next step is to move the angles column to the right so that it appears after the description column. Right-click on the angles column header row and select Move this column right from the context menu. Repeat this step a second time, so that the angles column will appear after the description column. The next task is to make the device column a little bit smaller. Move the mouse in the column headers between the device and the part number column, so that the mouse pointer will switch into an kind of arrow. Press the left mouse button and move the mouse to the left to make the column a little bit smaller. The last task for our report is to change the sort order. For our example, let's change the sorting order to part number. To do this, simply click on the column header for part number once or twice, depending on the sort direction you want to have. When we have finished all of our adjustments, we must save the table layout to the report. To do so, click on the Gear menu button. Then choose Save Table Layout to Report Template. Click on your just created report name, in our example PyroOffice Setup by Position, to assign the new layout to the report. That's all. The report layout is finished and the report will appear in the list of available reports. Look at File, Print, Report. You see it is ready to use. If you want to set up the location and the show date, select Show. Select Show Information. Enter the desired values into the fields shown in the dialog. Our sort order part number will result in more position changes, and this will lead to more pages, because in the configuration settings for page breaks are set to positions or sections. So we had to change this in the settings of the report here, or change the sort order in the script table to something like position, then part number, and save the table layout back to the report. Also remember that the report adjustment is saved within the show. T is not accessible for other reports rigged now. I will show you in another lecture how to copy the new report to another show.